Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. This is Laura, and today I am going to be doing some more memory keeping in my journal. I am using the Hobonichi Techo 2020, and it is the Avec, so it's split into 2 years. It's definitely getting chunky, but I've definitely also there are some serious things I have put in here, but I love them. I love it. I don't care how big it gets, honestly. I am doing some major catch-up still. We are in April, and I am journaling for March because I got really behind. And so what I did was started taking notes in my planner and taking notes here in my journal too. Some of them didn't make it to my journal, so I put them in my planner. But we're just going to be doing the next couple days here. And I have a ton of like memes because they rock and they make me laugh, and I mean, come on, that's what I'm gonna look like after quarantine, I'm pretty sure. You know, I feel like we all need to laugh a lot and choose joy, and I think it's really important to keep your sanity. And yeah, I am trying very hard to do that. Some days it's definitely easier than others for me, and some days is really hard. I get in some ruts and just kind of shut down, and that's not ideal. So I am totally laughing it up and trying to have some fun with it. So my kiddos teach at a dance school, and so when this all happened, they moved everything online. But the first, like, I don't know, a couple days, they were allowed to do 2 in a classroom, the teachers and the assistant, and they were live streaming the classes. So that's what these are from. And then after that, they ended up totally taking that out, like, because I don't know, I guess it was one of the orders came out, and so they now do everything live streaming, and it's super fun, at least for me to watch. My daughter teaches 3 and 4 year olds, 5 and 6 year olds, and my son teaches itties, like 3/4. My daughter also teaches 2 year olds, I think, too. But they are having a lot of fun doing it. They put so much into it mentally, emotionally, and it's kind of crazy to watch, but it was fun. Fun to see, and I love that they love their students as much as they do. And I mean, I don't know if their students can feel it through the videos, but man, I hope they can, because they pour out so much love for those kids. So, new way of teaching. And then I got this cool picture of my daughter taking one of her classes that evening, and she was taking it outside, which kind of made me laugh, but whatever. She was having fun. So taking ballet, definitely affecting all ages and all, you know, it's not leaving anybody out. But we believe that it's a lot in how you take it on, and so we're doing our best to stay mentally and emotionally and physically, spiritually healthy and positive in any way we possibly can. So, okay. So the we have the 22nd and 23rd, and I'm just gonna add my little notes here. I trust you, Jesus, even if I look like that after quarantine. Okay. And then, so the 25th was my daddy's birthday, And so I'm gonna put, I'm running out of tape, you guys. It's gonna be so sad. We made him a cake. We actually made it on this day, 24th, so I'm gonna have it on there twice, but that's okay. I'm gonna look and see if I can find my happy birthday washi really quick. And put some of that over this to keep him down. So yeah, we made him a cake for his 73rd birthday, and it was kind of weird. Like, they actually came up to our house, but this is when, so the county we live in and the state of Colorado all went into stay-at-home order, and so, you know, everything just kind of changed. It was just kind of weird. And obviously my parents are older, so we were trying to be very careful with them. I don't know why I'm doing this all the way across, because I can, I guess. So anyways, had fun doing that. My daughter was in a total baking mood, and baked cupcakes too. And spring allergies hit. Hello, spring allergies. No thank you. I've seen some pretty funny memes about, like, you can't even sneeze without people thinking you're like, or cough or whatever, without people thinking you're like sick. I'm not sick. I just have allergies really bad. I'm allergic to the state. Anyways, trying to find humor in it all, guys. I trust of Jesus. Wow. I might be losing my brain a little. So yeah, that's our days. What we did. Nothing fancy, but we had fun, and we are all healthy and well and thankful. So hope you enjoyed this short, semi-short journal with me. And I hope I get to see you again soon. Have a blessed day.